Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. This is Lo, and today I will be trying a new vinyl to me. It is called Firefly. So I did this video, I tried to record this video and then I messed up, so it's already open, but I just opened it like 5 minutes ago, I swear. And I wanted to try out this new vinyl called Firefly. I've heard a lot about it and I wanted to see for myself how well it weeds and how well it applies and so forth. So I went on Amazon and I purchased a 4-pack and it came in a roll. It was rolled up like this. Like, see, I still have everything sitting beside me because I just unrolled it not too long ago. It came in a roll like this with a little piece of tape on it. Ta-da. And when you unroll it, that's it. You just unroll it. They come in different packs. Some are 2, 4, I think 5. And I want to say one was a 12-pack. This was the 4-pack, and it is 12 by 20. And it has a red, a purple, blue, and then the teal. Oh, that's interesting. The black, the back of the blue is the white. That's quite interesting. But, Anyway, I think that's quite interesting. That's the only one that doesn't have a matching back. Interesting. But anyway, it was a roll of 4 and it was 12 by 20 and I paid $18.99. I will have the link in the description box where you can pick it up at if I like it and if you want to try it out yourself. It does come with like a little instruction thing. It was wrapped around the pack and it kind of tells you if you have a silhouette, a Cricut, and a scissors. I don't know what that one is because I've never heard of that machine. And then it kind of tells you what to press it on, if it's a regular, glitter, flocked, elastic, reflective, holographic, or fluorescent. So I have a Cricut. So it doesn't have, because you know, if you have a Cricut as well, it does, you just use the regular blade. You don't have to change the thickness or anything like that, which I absolutely love about the Cricut. And then this is regular. So it will go, it will go regular. You will come to the Cricut Explorer. So you would set your machine to, or click, because I have a maker. So you would just hit iron on. And then you would press it with your heat press or your easy press on. You'll put it on 285 to 305 degrees. You'll press for 10 to 15 seconds, medium pressure, and you will do a hot or cool peel. So this is very handy. So I think I'm gonna cut this square out and then hang it up on my cork board so I can use it when I have something else I'm using for this, because I definitely will not remember that. It also gives you instructions on how to place it. So it says place vinyl in machine with clear carrier down. So of course, you know, with heat transfer vinyl, you want the shiny part down. So I'm not sure if you can pick that up in the camera, but you see this part, you'll put that face down. And then you'll always, always, always mirror your image. And then it tells you there, cut design in reverse, mirror image, use double cut feature if available. Always utilize a test cut. Then it tells you, it basically tells you how to do your project. Remove, weed the negative space, preheat your fabric, firmly press, and then peel it. So it kind of tells you what to do if this was your first time using heat transfer vinyl. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to apply your heat transfer vinyl to a shirt, to anything. Today I will be applying it to a canvas bag. We'll see how that fares today. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you do purchase this, it'll be handy to keep this part right here and put up somewhere where you can easily read it. And if it's your first time, just read over the instructions and you'll have your first project done in no time. All right, everyone. So I already have like a little, I'm just going to do like one word, and it's just going to be like smile. I'm just going to put smile over top of here. And this canvas bag came from Michael's. I think it was like $5.99. I'm not 100% sure, but it's called Imagine 8, and you can find it in the I want to say it was where like the tote bags were, where like the tie-dye stuff is. You can find it in there, or you can just look it up on the app and they'll tell you which aisle it's in. All right, so I will go ahead and cut out the image and then I'll be right back. Okay, so just really quick, you just kind of place your heat transfer vinyl shiny side down on your mat. And I like to line it up with the grid the best way I can. I will not need all of this, so I'm about to cut it. And this is just the way I cut it. You can cut it off of the mat, on the mat, not on the mat. I just find it is better for me to do it like this, because if I do it any other way, I usually have way too much or cut it unevenly and yada, yada, yada. So I have learned to do things the way I can easily get them cut. And let's see. And be careful with your X-Acto knife if you're using an X-Acto knife. I cut it all away. Nope, it didn't. Okay. I didn't put enough pressure on that side, so it didn't really cut. But I love this X-Acto knife. I got it from a hobby store. And it cuts better than any other X-Acto knife I've had. Alright, and then I'll just put the excess to the side. Alrighty, and I'm sure, let's see, I think I don't need this. I'll cut it at the 6. And I could have easily used my cutter or whatever, but I tend to, like I said, cut the vinyl wonky and it's not even, and then I have like an uneven vinyl. So I just typically try to cut it the easiest way, and this is the easiest way for me. So that's how you kind of line your vinyl up if you don't want to have any excess vinyl on your mat. You can always just put that big old sheet of vinyl on your mat, and then once it cuts and whatever, you can cut around it, or you can just do it like this, or you can cut it with your cutter. However you want to cut your vinyl so you don't waste a lot of it is up to you. I just wanted to show that really quick. Okay, so I just finished cutting it. It cut really fast, but again, it's not much on the image. It just basically says smile. This is a new mat, so everything is like really sticking to it. My cover on. Sometime figure out where I put it at. There we go. I'm forever using this plastic thing. To preserve your mat and keep it as fresh as you possibly can, make sure you recover it with the plastic. I had a couple mats where I forgot to put the cover back on, and they're not as sticky. Okay, that's big enough. All right, so the next part is weeding. So I put it on heat transfer, non-cricket. So you can kind of feel where it looked like it was about to come up through the plastic. So just weeding it. Let's see how it weeds. Because I love Caesar. I love Caesar because it's so easy to weed. It's like butter weeding it. Oh, this is not too shabby. Okay. This is kind of smooth too. And it's soft. It's not, it's thick. It's thick, but it's soft though. So I like that. I didn't pick anything like really intricate or anything like that because I just really wanted to just test it out and see what it would feel like. Alright, so just put that in the middle there. And let me get my heat press all set up. And if you, like myself, I think it's at 285 to 305. So I'll just go back here. Yeah, 285 to 305. So let me just set my, and I'm going to set it on 305 just to be on the safe side. And I'll put the timer on 15 seconds. Let me bring this over here so you can see what I set it on. So right now it's just heating up. And the easy press heats up pretty fast, so it should almost be done. And like I said, I'm going to save this part. Alright, so it's already set. And I'm just going to throw the rest of it in the trash because I don't really need it. And then I'll write on the top so I know. You ever cut something to save it and then you don't write what it's for, and then you're trying to figure out what it's for? You're like, why did I save that? Anyway, so I do that a lot. So let me just write the name on there. Okay, so let me get my cushion. And I messed up the other side. I was trying to do something. And the vinyl stuck to the doggone heat mat. But I can always use this side. So you just make sure you put your mat. I'm going to put mine inside of the bag so it can press. It can get the impression that it needs. Alright, and you would kind of line it up and everything like that so you can make sure it's even. It looks pretty even to me. This purse is for me, so I'm not really stressed if it's not even or anything like that. But like I said, it looks even. Yeah, it looks even. So next you'll just press it, because remember, this plastic is the carrier sheet. This is like your Teflon sheet, and so you don't need to put anything on top of it. Now if you want to, if that makes you feel more comfortable, you can put something on top of it, which would just put like a Teflon sheet like this, or a piece of butcher paper or whatever, but you don't have to, because the carrier sheet protects the heat transfer vinyl. So then you'll just put it on there, and it said medium press, 15 seconds. And the highest temp it said to go was 305. So I could have went 208. I'm not 208. 285 or 305. I chose to go 305. Alright. And you just lift it. And I can already tell it already stuck to the thing because my carrier sheet moved a little bit. And here we go. So it didn't press all, let me see. Alright, I'm going to just put it, I'm going to press it one more time, because I had to use my finger to kind of press down on the vinyl. But y'all saw it was stuck that fast. So I'm going to just do it one more time just to make sure. don't even know why it had stuck to it. Okay. So I didn't even do the whole 15 seconds again. It said hot peel, cool or hot peel. So I could peel it either or. And, oh wow, that is soft, y'all. Still kind of warm, but it's soft. I like it. And there we go. And you can see, I don't know if you can see where it is adhered to the canvas. So you can see the canvas, and it doesn't look like it's coming up. Let me just make sure, because that E look kind of wonky. But nope, it's stuck. I like it. This is really soft, even on the canvas, because you know the canvas can be kind of rough, but this is really soft on this bag right here. So I like it. The weed was easy. I mean, it was a small design, but the weeding of it was easy. The vinyl is soft. I like it. This is not like a shirt or anything like that, so I can't really like pull it and maneuver it or anything, but I will try it on a shirt to see how long it lasts or whatever. But as far as a canvas bag, it's on there. Like, it is really on there. So yeah, I like that. I really like it, y'all. And that was a good price. It was 4 rolls, 12 by 20 on Amazon for $18.99. So if you want to give it a try, you can. I will put, again, the link in the description at the bottom, so you can go ahead and check it out if you want to. That's the end of this video. If you like this review on the Firefly vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, I should say, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you want more information on it or something of that nature, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll be able to answer any of your questions. If you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a notification bell to be notified for when I drop new videos. All right, everyone. Until next time. Peace.